This is my fish called Starlight. It's a boy. This is the thing from above. You can see his back, and you could see there. There's a mushroom thing. Here it is in closer. Oh, there's Starlight. What's he doing? My brother came up with the name. And this jar is actually pretty big for fish. And I fed him yesterday, as well as making the cage. Okay, that's how it looks. Keeps going down there for some reason. What's he doing? Let's have another top view. Okay, so that's how it looks. You could just watch him swimming around now. He keeps running away to the sides. Starlight is a very colourful fish. I've got it. My mum got it as a present for me, and my brother's got one too. Okay, this is top view. Hi, I'm Starlight. Be sure to like and comment at the bottom of the video and subscribe to see more. Bye!